When you start conversations, when you start meetings with that ultra powerful question, you're welcome. What's the most important thing that we need to accomplish in this meeting? What's the most important thing that we need to accomplish on this call? What's the most important thing that we need to accomplish as we get together on Zoom here? Guys, we make our job too hard. You're going to be shocked at when you start with an opening power question like that, at how often people will tell you what they're looking for. I want to know how to control the situation. I had a question on your contracts. I want to make sure that this particular property is in a school district. I want to make sure that your software is R2486 compliant. Why have them hold all of that stuff that they want to know about in their head when you can just ask them the power question of, what's the most important thing that we need to accomplish? Because when you leave it in their head, not only is it frustrating for them, but it's hard for them to focus on anything else until that question is answered.